Hi, I'm Victor Maas, real estate attorney, broker, and investor, but no one really cares. What they care about is that I'm a problem solver. So that's what I do for a living, is solve problems.
I'm going to show you how to find deals you never even knew existed.
Deals are everywhere, but you got to get off your butt.
One deal is all it takes to change your life. Victor frickin' Maas, that's right.
So I'm here to give you an update on this property in San Antonio that we did a rehab recently on. The street is called Cosgrove. I'm going to start at the beginning. The property was acquired because it was a referral. There was a federal judgment on there for $160,000. The tax value on it is $180,000, and it probably needed a good $30,000 in rehab. It's kind of an older home. I think it was built in the 1950s or something like that. Here we are 70 years later. So I first took a look at the title to see if there's any other liens or judgments, and I wanted to confirm this one particular judgment. And it was the kind of judgment I've been very fortunate on removing with little to no money. And so I made a deal with the two heirs. Their mom had died the year before, and they didn't know what to do because they can't sell it with this federal judgment on there. I made the deal with them to buy the property for $20,000 total. And I told them I would take care of the judgment. What they didn't know is that I already knew how to take it off, and I did. It didn't cost me anything. So I bought the property for $20,000. I spent probably a good 2 months rehabbing it. We're in no rush on this one. In Texas and throughout the country, there's a 90-day seasoning requirement before lenders lend money on rehabs. So I'm kind of stuck with it for 90 days if they're going to do FHA or VA type loans. Even some conventional lenders don't like to lend on a flip. So if I got it done in a month, I just let it sit there for 2 or 3 months, it would suck. But we took our time. The home looks fantastic. Everything's done. Then we had it staged. And for whatever reason, in the time that I bought it and the time that I sold it, prices have been going through the roof. It's a crazy market. So I was going to sell it for like $199 when I started. Well, guess what? Now I sold it for $225. And the first weekend, multiple offers, and I accepted one for $235. So by being patient, I was able to make a lot more money on paper. We haven't closed yet. We're supposed to close in 10 days. But let me tell you about this deal. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, very simple little ranch type home with a 2-car detached garage. It does have a very long driveway, small little backyard, decent front yard with mature trees, but this was a very nice home. And so what is awesome about this deal is I was able to get a hell of a deal on it because I spotted the opportunity. Accept a property with the judgment, work on getting it removed, and then bam. So right after we sold it to this single man, it got inspected. They came at us with a few things to repair. We've already repaired everything. We're just waiting for the appraisal. The survey got done 2 days ago, and we're set to close in about 10 days. So I'm really excited because this one deal could change anybody's lives. For me, it's just another day, another deal, but it doesn't mean I don't like receiving 6-figure paydays, so there you go. As always, thank you for watching our show. For more real estate investment and legal real estate content, please subscribe to our channel. Please follow me on social media, and the links are below. Don't forget to visit thevictormaas.com for coaching and future events. Also,
Listen to our podcast by searching for The Victor Maas Real Estate Show wherever you listen to podcasts. Also linked below. Until next time, this is Victor Maas signing off. Take care.